so that a square minus 5a plus 7i equals to 0, and hence find a inverse means using a square minus 5a plus 7i equals to 0. Find a inverse. So to calculate a square minus 5a plus 7i we require a square. So to calculate a square, so a square means a into a means 3 into 1 minus 1 2 3 into 1 minus 1 2. So we know that matrix multiplication means row multiply with the column. So 2 is a 9, 1 into minus 1 minus 1, 9 minus 1, 3 is 1 is 3, 1 2 is 2, so 3 plus 2, minus 1 into 3 minus 3, 2 into minus 1 minus 2, minus 1 into 1 minus 1, 2 to 4. So a square we get 8 minus 5, 3. Now we submit the values a square in minus 5a plus 7i. And a square we calculated 8 minus 5, 5 3 minus 5. A is given 3 1 minus 1 2 plus 7 I means 2 by 2 identity matrix which is 1 0 0 1. So 8 minus 5 is 15 plus 7 is 7. Now 5 minus 5 is 5 plus 7 0 is 0. Minus 5 minus minus plus 5 and 7 0 0. 3 minus 10 and 7 is 7. So each entry becomes 0 to show that it is a 0 matrix. Now we have to calculate A inverse. So a square minus 5a plus 7i equals to 0. 3 multiplied by A inverse. And A inverse into A square, 5a inverse into A, 7a inverse into y. So A inverse into A square will convert into A because one power will reduce. Here A inverse and A will become identity matrix. So 5y, here 7 inverse A into y, so 7a inverse. So 7a inverse equals to 5i minus A. So 5 into 1 0 0 1 minus A is 3 1 minus 1 2. So 5 1 is 5 minus 3, 0 5 0 0 minus 1, 5 0 is 0 minus 1 is plus 1. So 5 1 is 5 minus 2. So we simplify 2 1 minus 1 that is equals to 7a inverse. So A inverse equals to 1 by 7 2 1 minus 1 3. Now question 40 we have for A equals to 3 2 1 1 find the numbers A and B such that A square plus A into A plus BI equals to 0. So again we require here A square. So we calculate A square. So 3211 into 3211. So matrix multiplication we do. So row multiply with the column. 3 is 9 plus 2 1 is 2. 3 2 is 6 plus 2 1 is 2. 1 3 is 3 plus 1 is 1. 1 2 is 2 plus. And so it is 9 plus 2 11, 8, 4 and 3. Now we submit the values in A square plus A into A plus BI. Then 11 4 8 3 plus A into 3 1 2 1 plus B into 1 0 0 1. So 11 plus 3A plus B, 8 plus 2A plus B into 0 0, 4 plus A plus B into 0 0 and 3 plus A plus B equals to 0. Now we know that two matrices are equal if corresponding matrices are equal. So 4 plus A equals to 0, 3 plus A plus B equals to 0. So A equals to minus 4. Now A equals to minus 4 we submit here. So minus 4 plus B plus B equals to 0. So B minus 1 equals to 0. So B equals to 1. Question 15 we have A equals to 1 1 1, 1 2 minus 3, 2 minus 1 3, so that A cube minus 6a square plus 5a plus 11i equals to 0. Hence find A inverse. So A cube minus 6a square plus 5a plus 11i. For that we want A cube, so we want A square. So first we calculate A square, then A into A means 1 1 1, 1 2 3 minus 3. 2 minus 1 3 into 1 1 1 2 3 minus 3 2 minus 1 2. So for matrix multiplication we multiply row with the column. Then 1 1 is 1, 1 1 is 1, 1 2 is 2, 1 1 is 1, 1 2 is 2, 1 minus 1, 1 1 is 1, 1 minus 3 minus 3 and 1 2 is 2. So like this a row we multiply column, then we get the A square. 4 2 1, 1 plus 1 2 plus 2 4, 3 minus 1 2 and here 1. 1, 2, 3 minus 6 minus 3 and 8 minus 14, 7 minus 3, 14. Again now we want a cube, so we take a square into a. So a square we got 4, 2, 1 minus 8 minus 47 minus 2, 14. And a we got 1, 1, 1, 1, 2 minus 3, 2 minus 1, 3. So again matrix multiplication we take 4 1s are 4, 2 1s are 2 and 2 1s are 2. 4 1s are 4, 2 2s are 4 and 1 into minus 1 minus 1. 4 1s are 4, 2 3s are minus 6 and 1 3s are 3. So like this way we add rows and columns, then we get 8 7 1 minus 23 27 minus 69 32 minus 58. Now to calculate a cube minus 6a square plus 5ab plus 11y, we submit a cube value from this here 871 minus 23 27 minus 32 minus 78. Then 6 into a square means a square we take 41 minus 8 minus 47 minus 2 48. A is a plus 5 into a 1 and 1 or 2 minus 3 2 minus 1 3 and plus 11 into 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1 which is 3 by the identity matrix. So now we simplify 8 6 4s are 24, 5 1s are 5 and 11 1s are 11. 7 minus 6 into minus 12, 5 1s are 5 and 11 is 0. 1 minus 6, 5 1s are 5 and 0. Minus 23, 6 3s are 18, 5 1s are 5 and 11 is 0. Then 27 minus 6 into 8 minus 48, 5 2s are 10, 11 is 11. Then minus 69 minus 84 minus 1 is plus 84, 5 is minus 15 and 11 is 0. Then after 32 minus 6 into 7 42 minus 6 into 5 into 2 10 and 11 is 0. Then minus 30 minus 6 into minus 2 plus 18, 5 into minus 1 minus 5 11 is 0. Then 58 minus 6 into 14 minus 84, 5 is 50. So we add these all the numbers, we get each entry 0 means it shows 0. Now we have said that hence find A inverse. So for A inverse, whatever relation is given, that multiply by A inverse, then A inverse into A cube, A6A square into A inverse, 5A inverse into A 11 equal. So here one power will reduce, so A square, A inverse into A square, A, 5y and 11 inverse. So 11 A inverse will be, this term will take other side 6a minus a square minus 5y. So in this we submit the value 6 into a means the given matrix a square means we have calculated that is, and 5y means 5 to 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. So we simplify then 6 1 the 6 minus 4 minus 5, 6 1 the 6 minus 2 in 0, 6 1 the 6 minus 1 and 5 0 0. So like this we simplify, then we get minus 3 4 5, 9 minus 1 minus 4, 5 minus 3 9. That is 11 inverse. So A inverse equal to 1 by 11 given matrix, and so that is the answer. Hello friends, question 16 we have a equals 2 minus 1 1 minus 1 2 minus 1 1 minus 1 2. Then verify a cube minus 6 square plus 9 minus 4 equals to 0 and find A inverse. So for a cube we calculate first A square. The A square means 2 into minus 2 minus 1 minus 1 2 minus 1 1 minus 1 2 into again same matrix. So matrix multiplication we take, then row multiply with the column 2 is 4 minus 1 into minus 1 plus 1 into 1 2 into minus 1 minus 2 minus 1 into 2 minus 2 1 into minus 1 minus 1 2 into 1 2 minus 1 into minus 1 plus 1 1 into 2 2. So like this way each row multiply with each column, then we get this entry. And so we have here the A square answer 6 4 plus 1 plus 1 6 minus 2 minus 2 minus 1 minus 5 and 5 minus 5 6 minus 5 5 minus 5 6. Now to find out A cube we take A square into A, so again 6 minus 5 5 minus 5 6 minus 5 5 minus 5 minus 1 2. So again we take the matrix multiplication, then row multiply with the column. So 6 to the 12 plus 5 minus plus 5, 6 into minus 6 minus 10 minus 5, 6 plus 5 plus 10. So we multiply each row by column, then we get this entries. Then 12 plus 10 22 minus 21 plus 21. We add these entries, then we get this matrix 22 minus 21 21 minus 21 21 minus 21 21 minus 21 22. So now we go our result here. Result a cube minus 6 square plus 9a minus 4i. In that we submit a cube means this matrix, minus 6 into a square means a square answer, plus 5 into 9 into a and 4 into I. So all the entries submitting, and then we check. And 22 minus 6 into 6 minus 36 plus 9 is 18, 4 1 4. Then minus 21 minus plus 30 minus 9 plus 0. Then 21 minus 30 minus plus 9 plus 0. So each entry we simplify, then we get the 0 0 0 means we use the 0 matrix. Now for A inverse we multiply this result by A inverse. Then we get A inverse A cube, 6 A inverse A square, 9 A inverse A into 4 A inverse I. So A square minus 6A plus 9A minus 4 A inverse. So 4 A inverse equals to A square minus 6AI plus 9I. In that we submit A square value, 6 minus 5 5 minus 5 6 minus 5 5 minus 5 6. 6 into A means given A value and plus 9 into I. So again we take 6 minus 12 plus 9 minus 5 plus 6 plus 0. Then here 5 minus 6 plus 0. So like this we simplify. Then we get these entries, and then 3 1 minus 1 1 3 1 and minus 1. This equals to 4 A inverse. So A inverse equals to 1 by 4. 3 1 minus 1 1 3 1 minus 1 1 3. We have question 17. AB and non-singular matrix of order 3 cross 3, then determinant of adjoint of A equals to dash. So we know that if A is non-singular matrix of n cross n order, then adjoint of A determinant equals to determinant A raised to n minus 1. So A is given 3 cross 3 order, so adjoint of A determinant equals to determinant A raised to 3 minus 1, so determinant A square. Now 18th question is given if A is invertible matrix of order 2, then determinant A inverse is equals to what? So A is invertible, so A inverse into A equals to Y. So we know that if determinant to products determinant with A, and A inverse into A determinant equals determinant I. So we can separately write determinant. So determinant A inverse determinant A equals to 1, and so A inverse determinant equals to 1 upon determinant A